Hi everyone, this is Kanu the Tarot Logger. Welcome back to my channel, and this pick a card reading is going to be about all the big blessings that are coming up in your life in the next 6 months. So go ahead and choose your pile. So that's pile number 1, pile number 2 and pile number 3. As usual, timestamps are given below in the description box that is linked to your specific reading. And if any of you are new to pick a card reading, so I just want to give you a brief introduction about how pick a card readings work. So you need to choose any one of these 3 piles. So that's pile number 1, pile number 2 and pile number 3. You can pause the video and meditate on the cards as long as you want. You need to go with your intuition and choose the pile that draws your attention the most. Once you choose your pile, you can check the timestamps given below in the description box and skip the video to the timestamp where your readings begin. Also, I want to tell you that these are general readings, so there will be multiple messages for all of you and your intuition will guide you which message is for you. So watch the readings till the end, and these readings are meant to guide you and you are not bound by these readings. So whatever is being said here can be changed by you. Nothing is written in stone. Each one of us has the power to change it. So believe in yourself, and most importantly, believe in that one supreme power always. I also want to tell you that these are timeless readings, so doesn't matter whenever you are watching this, the readings are meant for you exactly for that time whenever you are watching this. Also, I'm going to give you some time to meditate on the cards so that you can choose your pile. If you want more time, then you can pause the video. So let's begin with the meditation. Hello group number 1. So we have Saturn, Uranus, the 3rd house and Cancer as your astrology cards. So as we all know that Saturn is a planet which represents restrictions, obstacles, challenges. So your ability to overcome those restrictions, obstacles and challenges will grow in the coming months, and because of your perseverance, these challenges and obstacles will get lifted. And Saturn is also a planet of delays. So things which were delaying in your life will flow smoothly now because Saturn is retrograde now. So this might be giving you delays, and the Saturn will be in a retrograde state till October 10th. So for all those people whose Saturn is not placed in a favorable position in your birth chart, so after 10th of October, the restrictions and delays given by Saturn will get lifted. Saturn is also a planet of fears, and you will be overcoming your fears also. And we have Uranus. So Uranus is the planet of sudden change and enlightenment. So you will be gaining a lot of wisdom in the coming months, and you can expect sudden changes in your life that will give you wisdom. These experiences will not be the bad ones. These will only give you knowledge. These will only give you freedom. Uranus is the planet of sudden awakening and liberation. And you will be breaking all the restrictions that are holding you back. Those restrictions could be because of your family, because we have Cancer here. Because Cancer is associated with family relationships. So with the 3rd house, I feel your communication and creative skills will improve. For some of you, I feel you will start something that is related to communication or creativity. I feel your wisdom, your knowledge, your creativity, your talents will reach a lot of people through communication platforms, and the rewards, the achievements will last a longer time, because Saturn is a slow moving planet, so it helps with the rewards, with the achievements to last for a longer time in your life. And with Cancer, I feel the relationship with your mother or with your child is going to improve. And Cancer is ruled by Moon, so Moon is associated with your intuition. So your intuitive skills are also going to improve in the coming months. And the next card we have is High Priestess. So I was just talking about the intuition, and we have got High Priestess. So your intuitive skills will be improving a lot. Your psychic abilities will improve a lot, and High Priestess is also a card which indicates about your hidden talents which are not yet explored by you. So in the coming months, you will explore more about your hidden talents, and you will be taking and executing those decisions that are right for you. Your decisions will not be based on other people's opinions and choices. In the coming months, I feel you will make the impossible possible. You will have that clarity and strength to make plans for yourself and to decide for yourself. And we have Eight of Summer. So it says the desire for a more meaningful life, realizing that it's time to move on, choosing to make major life changes. So you will be moving towards a more meaningful life in the coming months. Major life changes are coming up for you, and these changes could be in the areas of your relationships, creativity, and spirituality. And you will be doing all those things that you love doing. And the next card is Renewal. Review the past and the present so you can plan a bright new future, understanding your life purpose, releasing judgments of yourself and others. You will be leaving your past behind. You are moving towards a bright new future because you will be able to understand and answer your inner callings. You will be understanding your true life purpose and will embrace that as well. And for some of you, I feel you will be living the life that you have been dreaming of, and that is full of bliss. And we have Strength. The grace and inner strength needed to overcome challenges, the power of kindness and forgiveness, time to embrace how wonderful you are. So your inner strength will grow. You will be able to overcome all the obstacles and challenges in your life. And for some of you, I feel that you will be able to forgive your past as well. You will be able to forgive the people also who had hurt you in the past. And you will be overcoming your shadows as well. And we have Hidden Depths. Something hidden is about to come to light, perhaps a secret or memory at the back of your mind. When we expose what's hidden, we can become free. So you are going to explore your hidden potential, and you are going to start working on that as well. And also you are going to share it with the world. So like I was telling you about the shadows, so you will be able to reach those unexplored and unwanted shadows, and you would be able to release them. So your health will be improving as well. So if you have been not keeping well lately, so you will recover from your health issues and you will feel more energetic as well. So in the coming months, your ability to believe in yourself will improve. Your ability to believe on your intuition will also improve. Your ability to believe on your decisions will improve. And we have Success. So you will achieve success in your endeavors. Be it professional or personal goals, your efforts will get rewarded. Your decisions will give you fruitful results. And we have Angel of Love. So your heart will heal. You will be surrounded by loving energies. The relationships will get stronger. The bonding will get stronger. And for some of you, I feel that new love interest might turn up. And if you're already seeing someone, the bond will get stronger. And we have number 49. So that adds to number 13, and which is equal to number 4. So number 4, so with number 4, I feel you will be laying solid foundations now in the areas of relationships and romantic relationships as well. And we have adjacent possibilities. So if I look at both these cards together, I feel you will receive love from the most unexpected source. Love will be coming from someone from whom you didn't expected them to love before. And a lot of surprises are coming up in your love life. And don't worry, I'm talking about the surprises that will only make you happy and excited. And you might also get some unexpected opportunities in regards to your career as well. So watch out, don't let them slip away from your hands. So with that being said, I'm wrapping up this reading here. Wish you all the luck and happiness. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then you can give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, so that you never miss more such pick a card readings. I'm also active on my Instagram account where I post guidance and predictions daily. The link is given below in the description box. Also, let me know if this reading resonates with you or not. If you have any feedback, then please feel free to drop it in the comment section down below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye, take care. Hello group number 2. So firstly, we are going to start with your astrology cards. So we have Leo, Mars and Sagittarius. So by looking at your cards, I feel you will be in a spotlight. You might receive fame because Sun rules Leo, and Sun is generally associated with fame, with being in the spotlight. So your efforts will bring you to the spotlight. You will be the leader of your own destiny. You will be in a competitive spirit, and Mars and Leo makes you a go-getter. Your confidence will be so high that you will be able to overcome almost any battle, any challenge that might block your way. Your strength, your perseverance will help you achieve your goals. And also with Leo, I feel you will gain stability in your life. It could be in the areas of your relationships, and it could be in the areas of your career. And with Mars, I feel that you will be your own priority. And Leo also represents creativity, hobbies, passion, and it also represents acting and films. So for some of you, I feel you will get good opportunities that is related to any creative venture, your hobby, your passion or acting. You will be able to understand your true worth. You will be able to understand your true potential. And Mars represents your desires. So your desires will get fulfilled because Sagittarius is a very blessed card and it's blessing your desires. And with Sagittarius, I feel luck will be on your side. Sagittarius is also associated with higher education or gaining some form of education. So if you have been planning to pursue any kind of course or higher education, then your wish will be fulfilled because it's there on the cards. And you might go on a journey, and that will be a long distance travel. And this could be related to fulfilling your goals and desires. And this could be a spiritual journey for some of you. And your choices, your decisions will bring good fortune. and your optimism will surpass every obstacle in your life. And you might get promoted to a higher level in your career. And the next card is Nine of Spring. Protect the fruits of your labor, prepare for possible changes that lie ahead. Environmental conservation. So you will be protected from negative energies and negative people. And even your body, your immune system will also get stronger. You will explore the hidden courage within you. You will explore the never giving up attitude within you. Or your never giving up attitude will get even stronger. And we have Eight of Winter. You have what it takes if only you believe in yourself. Thinking that you are powerless when you are not. A lack of self-confidence that keeps you from getting what you want. So with this card, I feel you will be breaking the boundaries. You will be breaking the barriers. You are coming out of your shell. If you have been feeling stuck lately, then things will start rolling for you. And for some of you, I feel that maybe you are not able to see the path clearly now, but very soon you will. You will be also releasing the fear of failure. And we have Balance. Take everyone's input into consideration. Merge viewpoints to create a better solution. Take your time, there's no need to rush. So you will receive cooperation from others and you will be creating something new, something unique that will gain applause and rewards. And Balance is also a card of peace and healing. So you will be healing your anxieties and peace will get restored in your life. And this card also means getting the best of both the worlds. So this could mean that you would be doing two projects or two ventures simultaneously and you would be able to do justice to both and you will get rewarded for both. And we have Journey. So it's time to prepare for a journey. It may be impromptu or planned. Either way, make sure you are ready when the time comes. Pack your passport now. So Journey was indicated in the Sagittarius card as well. So this card also confirms the same, and this card also indicates that you will be embarking on a new journey that is full of abundance, full of creativity, full of passion, full of love in your life. And with Journey, I also feel that the journey indicated here could be related to traveling to a foreign place, but that's for some of you. And we have Romance. So something exciting is coming up in your love life as well. This card indicates that you might find new love interest, but that's only for the singles. And also this could indicate that for some of you, your marriage will get fixed, or you will get married in the next few months, or at least you will find your life partner in the coming months. And for all those who are married, your bond will get even stronger with your partner. So we have It's Up to You. So with this card, I feel that whatever you will ask for will get manifested in your life. So your wishes will get granted, but be careful what you wish for. Ask only when you are sure about it. And we have Ask Your Angels. So your connection with your angels will get stronger. So they will be there to protect you, they will be there to guide you, they will be there to keep your enemies away from you and protect you from all the bad energies. And we have Financial Constraints. So financial constraints will be lifted. Your finances will start improving now. And also we have number 13, so that adds to number 4. So this number brings stability. So not only your finances will improve, but your financial situation will also get stable. So finances won't be fluctuating. And you might also get new opportunities which will help you to increase your finances. And we have the thinking man. So we have number 46 that adds to number 10, which again adds to number 1. So number 1 is all about being independent. So if you are not independent in regards to your finances and struggling to be independent, then you will attain independence in regards to your finances. And someone could come up to help you to release your financial burdens. And number 1 also represents Sun, and Sun rules Leo. So the person could have Leo as their sun sign, moon sign or rising sign who would be helping you out. So this person will not only help you in your finances, but this person will also teach you a lot of other things in other areas of your life and will help you in your personal and professional growth. And this man can be your new love interest also, but that's only for some of you. So with that being said, I'm wrapping up this reading here. Wish you all the luck and happiness. That's all I have for you now. Sending you lots of blessings and positive energies. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then you can give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, so that you never miss more such pick a card readings. I'm also active on my Instagram account where I post guidance and predictions daily. The link is given below in the description box. Also let me know if this reading resonates with you or not. If you have any feedback, then please feel free to drop it in the comment section down below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye, take care. Hello group number 3. So firstly we are going to begin with the astrology cards. So we have the first house, the Sun, Venus, Jupiter and the 9th house. So the first house in the astrology represents you, your personality and how other people perceive you. So I think your personality will outshine the others. And we also have Sun. So Sun is the planet that gives you more confidence and courage to be at the top. And first house and Sun also indicates believing in yourself, and with Venus here, I also feel that you will start loving yourself and admire yourself, and your focus will be on taking care of yourself. And Venus is also associated with creativity. So with Venus, Sun and Jupiter, I feel your creativity will enhance. And Venus is also a planet of luxury, and even Jupiter is associated with abundance and expansion of your material resources. So you are going to get huge success in your career in the next 6 months. You might get promoted to a higher position, or you might get a good opportunity in your career or in your business that will help you to expand your finances. And the first house is also associated with your health. So your health will also improve. So if you have been facing any health issues, a few health issues I'm getting here are related to your head, eyes, spinal cord, skin, throat, diabetes, liver, obesity, nervous system and heart. So these will start improving in the coming months. And 9th house rules your long distance travel, spirituality and academic education. It also rules your spiritual education. So for some of you, you will be gaining some kind of knowledge as well. It could be academic or it could be spiritual. I also feel that you will be going on a long distance travel. It could be related to your higher education. And with Jupiter, I feel you might go on a trip to a foreign land. And with 9th house, Jupiter and Sun, I also feel that for some of you, you might go on a spiritual journey to gain more knowledge, to know more about yourself. And with 9th house and Jupiter, I also feel luck will be on your side. in the areas of relationships and finances. And Venus represents the wife and Jupiter represents the husband in the astrological birth chart. And with Venus and Jupiter being together in this reading, I also feel that you will find your life partner as well in the upcoming 6 months. So this is only for some of you, and some of you all might get married too. And Sun also represents your destiny. So your purpose of this lifetime or your destiny will get revealed to you. It could be related to your career or your passion or getting your dream job or your life partner, and you will be on your true path in the next 6 months. And we have the Sun again. So it says plans that work out perfectly, amazing ideas that lead to rewards and commendations, gratitude for the blessings of life. So the next 6 months are going to bring you a lot of joy and excitement in your life. Your ideas will bring a lot of success in your life. And Sun is also the card of enlightenment. So you will be enlightened, you will be blessed in the upcoming months. And Sun also brings optimism in your life. This card also indicates a vacation, a trip with your family. And Sun is the most positive card and the most blessed card in the tarot cards deck. So be ready for the happier times and to celebrate your success. And we have 8 of Spring. Stress that comes from having many things happening at once, successful multitasking, sudden events or changes. So this card also indicates traveling. So I think many of you will be traveling, and that will be a long distance travel. This also indicates changes coming up in your life. It could be related to your creativity or spirituality or passion. And you might have to multitask to follow your passion, but you would be able to do it all successfully. And we have Princess of Summer. A new relationship or emotional experience, invitations to social events, a compassionate friend you can share your concerns with. So for some of you, new relationship is coming up in your life. And for others of you, I feel you might be receiving a long awaited romantic message from your life partner or from the person whom you are dating right now. You will get a chance to showcase your talents in the outer world. Your creativity will come out in the world and you will get appreciation for that as well. And we have the Chariot. Success that comes from dedication and self-discipline, celebrating your accomplishments, being in the spotlight. So you will be in the spotlight because of your hard work and dedication. So like I was telling you, that times are coming when you will be celebrating your success. And we have Inner Child. The fairies of playfulness remind you to make time to embrace your inner child. Playing keeps us young at heart. Do something silly and fun, but stay safe. So for some of you, I feel that you will be pursuing those things in your life that you have been wanting to do since you were a child, or you will be pursuing things that your heart has been telling you to do. That is fun, that is more exciting, and you will also feel safe and secured while pursuing that. And with this card, I also feel that times are coming up when you will be able to enjoy your life with all the luxury, with all the achievements that you have attained because of your rigorous hard work and dedication. And we have big happy changes. So what more can I say with this card? It's self-explanatory, right? So the changes are coming up in your life that will bring you joy and happiness. And the next card is helpful people. So people around you will also be very supportive in your endeavors. They will support your decisions, they will stand by you, and they will accept you exactly as you are. And the next card is compromise. So you might have been compromising a lot in your life for others, but now the times will be changing for you, and you will not be required to compromise anymore now. Be it your passion, be it your desires, you will be free to do whatever you want. And we have anxiety. So you will be releasing all your anxieties. You will be releasing all your fears. You will be releasing all your doubts. And because we have number 18, so that adds to number 9. So number 9 in numerology indicates endings. So I feel you will be releasing all your shadows once and for all from your mind, and you will be releasing all those things that are not serving you any good. And we have strategy. So you will be taking charge of your own destiny. You will be writing your own destiny. And we have number 21. So that adds to number 3. And number 3 is the number of the planet Jupiter. And Jupiter is the planet of good fortune, expansion, knowledge, and finances. Jupiter is also a planet of good deeds. So if serving or helping other people in any form is also a goal in your life, then that is also going to be fulfilled in the next 6 months. So a lot of good things are stored for you in the upcoming 6 months. So wish you all the luck and happiness. That's all I have for you now. Sending you lots of blessings and positive energies. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then you can give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, so that you never miss more such pick a card readings. I'm also active on my Instagram account where I post guidance and predictions daily. The link is given below in the description box. Also let me know if this reading resonates with you or not. If you have any feedback, then please feel free to drop it in the comment section down below. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye. Take care.